Stat isn't just numbers, it's a story. Welcome to Stat Sleuths, where puzzles meet statistics. New cases drop every other week, so the mystery never stops.
From calculators to cases, every clue uncovers a new way to learn. With 9 cases already solved, and case 010's clue just dropped this Monday, the mystery keeps growing. Clear lectures with real-world examples. Step-by-step logic that makes statistics modular. And 5 interactive R-Shiny demos that turn theory into hands-on discovery. Cases that transform puzzles into investigations. Each mystery sharpens your skills and reveals the story behind the numbers.
I am the mind behind Stat Sleuths, and I believe learning should feel like solving a mystery. Curious, clever, and thrilling.
Subscribe and join the investigation. Crack the case. Master the stats.